Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining us today. If you are new, my name is Faye. I like to make videos about petite fashion and petite styling, but particularly for any women who are under 5 foot tall, because I feel like we have a unique struggle when it comes to buying clothes and shoes. I feel like petite ladies in general are always going to struggle, but for people who are under 5 foot tall, I think we have like a unique set of challenges. And for me, one of the challenges was definitely trying to find shoes in my size because I am a UK size 1. So this video today is kind of inspired by like the old school YouTube videos, particularly ones in like the early 2010s that I would watch. Absolutely love them. I absolutely love just watching other people's shoe hauls and shoe videos. But it also made me sad, the fact that I would never be able to buy any of them because they would never come in my size. I think in the UK, a size 3 or maybe a size 2 is the smallest that you're going to get, either online or in a store. So it was definitely a real struggle trying to find shoes in a size 1. But after years and years of looking and searching, I have quite a nice shoe collection. It's not too bad. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because I really wish that I had seen a video like this when I was younger, because it would have saved me tears and stress and definitely a lot of money. So I hope that you find this helpful, and if there's any places that you know of particularly where you buy shoes if you're like a size 2 or below, then definitely let me know in the comments, because I'm always on the lookout for new shoe shops. It's hard enough as it is to kind of find shoes in my size, so if you have any tips of your own, definitely let me know down below. And I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you find it useful, and yeah, stay tuned.
So starting off with my trainers are the black 1970s style Converse. I recently purchased a pair of these after seeing them all over Instagram, but honestly, Converse are such a staple. They are literally never out of style, so I decided to invest in a new pair. Haven't had the chance to wear these a lot in the spring, but I'm hoping to wear them a lot more sort of in the summer with summer outfits. Again, white Converse are an absolute wardrobe staple. I bought these again in the kids section. I go for a size 1.5, and these will literally go with any sort of summer outfit, any casual outfit. They're absolutely perfect. I can't say they're the most comfortable trainers, but they will definitely last me a long time because again, they literally never go out of fashion. So I bought these Alexander McQueen style trainers back in 2019, and I really feel like these are just a bit of a step up from Converse in terms of smartness. They can really elevate any kind of casual outfit, and I was able to get these in the kids section of Kurt Geiger for about half the price of the adult versions, so that was definitely a win for me. So I call these cute little trainers my runners because I literally wear them if I need to run out of the house, because they don't have laces, you literally just slip them on. I think that the pink colour is really cute, and what a surprise, I bought them from the kids section at New Balance, but you know what, they're super comfortable, they do the job, and I actually bought them in a sale, so they were even cheaper. I think I got them for around £20. So I bought these sandals when I was looking for just a pair of beach sandals that I could wear and not have to worry about getting them messed up. And these were an absolute bargain find. These were $7.99 from the kids section of H&M. And yeah, they're not the most pretty sandals, but you know what? If you just want something to go to the beach and you don't mind kind of scuffing up a little bit, these were amazing. They did the job perfectly. I am obsessed with these Bottega Veneta style mules that I bought from Pretty Small Shoes. They are a little bit pricey, but they are made from real leather and they are so comfortable. They are so versatile. I can wear them with any sort of summer outfit, and I can wear them all around London and my feet don't get sore. So a little bit pricey, I think they were over £100, but overall a good investment. I actually haven't had the chance yet to wear these Jimmy Choo sandals because I bought them just before the lockdown in March 2020, but I bought them from Vista Village at a very reduced price, and honestly they are such a classic style, and again they are beige, so they're going to go with anything, and I feel like in the future I'll probably wear them to like weddings and evening events. Super versatile. So I honestly feel like this pointed style of stiletto is on its way out in terms of trends, but I really love these Sergio Rossi heels that I bought from Vista Village. I think they are really classic. I think the colour is absolutely beautiful, and I wore these to a wedding actually a couple of years ago, and I think they're just generally really nice shoes for any kind of spring or summer formal events. So these Gucci sandals were my first ever designer purchase for around £112, and although that might seem expensive just for like a pair of shoes, I feel like if you're a size 1 or under, you know the struggle of finding nice shoes in your size. So I was over the moon when I found these in a size 1. I think they're such a nice evening shoe. I absolutely love them, and I'm going to have these forever. As you can probably tell by the absolute state of these shoes, these were my clubbing shoes from like 2016 to 2019. They've definitely had a lot of wear out of them. And I actually bought them from a shop called Charles Keith, which was in Asia. I went on a trip to South Korea and I bought them there. And I liked them so much, I actually bought them in 2 colours. But good news, Charles Keith actually do UK delivery, so definitely check out their website if you're a size 2 or below. So onto my least glamorous pair of shoes, but definitely my most practical. I absolutely love my waterproof Timberlands. They have got me through so much. I always wear them when I'm going out walking, particularly if it's raining. And I've got so much wear out of them, particularly during lockdown and my daily walk. So yeah, not the most glamorous, but definitely practical. Another big trend from 2020 was the chunky ankle boots, and I decided to purchase this pair from Small Feet Shoes. If you have small feet, I would highly recommend checking out their website, as they have so many stylish shoes at high street prices. These boots are around £70, but the quality is amazing and they are so comfortable, so really worth the money. So my most commented comment on TikTok is definitely, where did I buy these boots? And these are the Brandy over-the-knee boots from Forbidden Heels. I've actually just folded them in on themselves here, so they cut off just below the knee. But I think a plain black boot, whether it's over or under the knee, is an absolute classic. I feel like everyone needs a pair of these in their wardrobe, and I get so much wear out of them. They're a really good investment.
So those are all of my shoes. If you are a size 1 or a 2, then I really hope that you have found this helpful. Again, I really wish I'd had a video like this when I was a teenager, so that I knew exactly where to shop and I didn't have to struggle with shoes that were too big for me. But again, if you have any of your own, then do let me know in the comments where you buy your shoes. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Even if you're not petite, even if you have regular size feet, thank you for watching. And actually my favorite comments on my TikTok videos are the ones from people that are like, I'm 5'8". I don't know why I'm watching your videos, but I love them. I love you. Thank you for watching. I think that's really cute when people say that. And I always love getting feedback or getting recommendations. So if you have any of your own, do let me know in the comments. Or if you just want to come say hi, then yeah, say hi to me down there. And I hope to see you in my next video.